Hello everyone, a very good opportunity for BSc and BCA students who are passed out last year and who are passing out this year, that is batch of 24 and 25, that Wipro has launched its hiring for BCA and BSc students of 24 and 25 batch. And the best part is that this is a work integrated learning program in which you will get a chance to work for Wipro, get a salary, and then also do your M.Tech completely sponsored by Wipro. So what better can happen than this, that you are working also, you are also pursuing your higher studies, M.Tech degree, and that too Wipro is paying for that. Alright, so we'll discuss this in details. If you are new to our channel, so let me inform you that I am Saksham Sharma, founder of Careerkunj and former HR and recruiter of TCS with an extensive experience into recruitment and helping students for better placement in the top companies. So if you are new to our channel, do subscribe because through Careerkunj, we are helping students to aware them about different internships and job opportunities. At the same time, we are also giving them tips and tricks along with real experiences, how to crack the top companies interviews and get the best job which can be high paying. Alright, so let's quickly move on to the this opportunity. So on the screen, you can see this is my LinkedIn page and this is the post from Wipro that they are looking for BSc and BCA graduates of 24 and 25 batch. And it's a work integrated learning program where you will get a chance to do your M.Tech as well, sponsored by Wipro. And when you click on this link, you are landed here, which talks about the detail of this. So this is the requirement detail page where you can see they are looking for students of BSc and BCA courses of 24 and 25 batch. So what it is, they have, as I already discussed, this is a program wherein you get a chance to work, get a salary, and then also get a chance to do your M.Tech, and that is also sponsored by Wipro. So let's quickly see the eligibility criteria. So you should have done your 10th, 12th, you should be a pass out of 24 and 25. Then you should also be having more than 60% or 6 CGPA in graduation. Your courses should be full-time, part-time and correspondence courses not allowed. And then you should be from computer science, IT, mathematics or statistics, electronics or physics candidate in student subject student. And then, as I said, no part-time courses are allowed. Open school or distance education is allowed for 10th, 12th. So if you have taken a drop in your 10th, 12th and done it from a distance or school, you can still do it. One backlog is allowed. So one backlog is allowed and more than one backlog is not allowed. So, but you are supposed to clear your backlog before the course completion. That means within 6 semesters, you should be able to clear your backlog. And then there should not be more than 3 years of gap, which you can see on the screen, and between your 12th and graduation. So till 3 years it is allowed, and there should not be, no gaps are allowed in graduation period. For example, if your BCA is of 3 years, you should not have taken any gap between first, second or third year. It should be completed without any gap. And then they have some additional criteria as well, which you can see on the screen, that you should have one core mathematics subject in your graduation. Business maths or applied maths are not allowed. So please read this very carefully so that you don't land up applying for it without being not eligible. Indian citizen, yes, most of the students are Indian citizens. Bhutan and Nepal citizens should have citizen certificate, so not applied to many students. And those who have participated in Wipro selection process in the last 3 months are not eligible. So if you have appeared in a similar process, you are not eligible. You should wait for 3 months to apply again. So what is the process? How to apply? You have the registration link given on this particular portal. I will also share it in the description box of this video. So you have to register, then you have to go through an assessment. The assessment will consist of verbal, analytical, quantitative and communication skill, which is the case with all the assessment process. And then if you clear the online assessment, you will be called for a discussion. It is like an interview. So once you deliver good in the interview, you will be given a letter of intent. And then so letter of intent is like, they are interested to onboard you, but before that they want to give you a pre-screening training so that you understand what it is and whether you want to continue. If all goes well, then you will get the offer letter after the pre-screening training, so that you understand the program completely. Again, the joining details are very well described here. After you receive the offer letter, what is your designation? You would be a scholar trainee, okay, and then you will get the stipend in the first year of 15,000 plus 488 of employee state insurance, and then joining bonus of 75,000 with the first within the first month of your stipend. Next year, second year, or stipend will be 17,000 plus 533 of ESI. Then next year 19,000, and then for the fourth year 23,000. And don't forget that you are also doing M.Tech along with your work. So wonderful opportunity. So this is you have to sign an agreement of 60 months, which is 5 years. And if you leave the company in between, you have to pay the difference of amount. For example, if you leave after 1 year, there would be amount. If you leave after 2 years, the amount will be less. So likewise, you have to pay the amount of uh, the initial the bonus that you have get for joining. You have to pay return that accordingly. So Wipro is a wonderful company, a very renowned company, top MNC with 230,000 people, 143 nationality, 65 company, 36% women. Disabled people are also there, which shows the company's commitment to help the needy. So again, a very good opportunity, I must say, for all the BSc and BCA students. Now I am very sure you are thinking 5 years ka bond hai, kaise karenge? I know. So this is a common query, but don't worry guys, because as of now you are just having your degree. If you start your career with Wipro, you will get a very good opportunity tomorrow in some other company, and you can make a lot of money in IT industry, because IT is one of the highest paying industry. So I will still suggest you should take up this course and start your career. Even if you have to leave in between, you just have to pay some amount, and 75,000 you are getting a bonus in the starting. If you have to leave, you have to pay less than 75,000. So it's not a bad deal at all. Alright, so apply fast and for more such important updates and hirings and interview tips and strategies, do follow us in the our YouTube channel, and let us know if you have any query in the comment box. We will answer them. Thank you so much.